Recently, the Zhongguancun Forum 2025 concluded in Beijing, once again establishing itself as a key international platform for discussing cutting-edge scientific and technological breakthroughs and fostering global cooperation in tech. This year's forum featured more than 128 events, including parallel sessions focused on advanced fields such as large-scale artificial intelligence models, embodied intelligence, quantum technologies, biomedicine, sixth-generation mobile networks, and brain-computer interfaces. These sessions brought together thousands of participants from over 100 countries and regions. One of the main highlights of the forum was the extensive integration of robotics. Around 100 robots from 15 companies were deployed in various scenarios, from welcoming guests and handling communications to giving presentations and providing services. Humanoid robots served as intelligent assistants, showcasing the potential of AI integration across multiple areas of life. In addition to the presentations, the forum featured an exhibition where the latest achievements in visual technology were on display, along with the first prototypes of innovations that promise to change the world. In this video, we've gathered the most fascinating exhibits from the show that are already shaping the future. Enjoy the video. Upon entering the exhibition hall, visitors were greeted by lifelike humanoid robots, showcasing the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics industry. One of these robots was Nia, a bionic interactive robot specially designed to engage with forum guests. She welcomed visitors, introduced herself, and offered assistance, all while displaying a friendly smile and realistic facial expressions. According to forum staff, Nia and her counterparts possess advanced facial motor skills, speech recognition capabilities, and the ability to make intelligent decisions. This enables such robots to be used across a wide range of fields, from public and educational services to companionship and entertainment. Nia can not only smile and carry on conversations but also interact through micro-expressions, gestures, and body language. She can wave, give affirmative and thumbs-up signs, say goodbye, and even shake hands. Before you is an ultra-realistic robot that entertained visitors at the exhibition by showcasing the art of calligraphy. Developed by Rokai, a company based in Jining, Shandong Province, this robot is equipped with a high-precision sensor that enables it to accurately reproduce the pressure and stroke patterns of human handwriting. During the event, the robot carefully wrote out various Chinese characters, with a display of completed calligraphy works positioned next to its workstation. After each piece was finished, staff assisted by replacing the paper for the next one. According to company representatives, performing calligraphy requires the robot to precisely coordinate finger, wrist, and elbow movements. In addition to limb coordination, the robot also exhibits subtle facial expressions, such as nodding and frowning, adding to its lifelike presence. Humanoid female robots named Qingbao, created by the Chinese company Shanghai Robot Engine, once again captivated the public with their unusual appearance and graceful movements. These robots have been attending all major exhibitions in China for several years now, and this event was no exception. The company's robots are designed to perform a variety of tasks, including interacting with people, providing information, and participating in events. Their design and functionality make them well suited for roles as assistants in customer service, education, and entertainment industries. The robots are equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence systems, enabling them to engage in natural conversations and respond to their surroundings. Beijing-based company Lingbao showcased its latest robot named Casbot-01 at an exhibition, a humanoid assistant designed to perform a variety of tasks. The robot stands at 1.79 meters tall and weighs 60 kilograms. It is intended for use in household environments as well as industrial settings, where it can operate for up to 4 hours without needing a recharge. The key features of Casbot-01 lie in its ability to adapt to its surroundings and carry out tasks that require fine motor skills and precision. It is equipped with advanced sensors and an artificial intelligence system, enabling it to recognize objects, identify people, and respond appropriately to specific tasks. This robot can become part of a smart home ecosystem, performing duties such as cleaning, delivering items, and monitoring room conditions. Another standout exhibit at the event was the avatar robot Hobbs, developed in China by Noetics Robotics Company. Hobbs is a humanoid robot with a high degree of freedom and interactive capabilities. It is equipped with advanced technologies that enable real-time remote control of facial expressions, and it supports human interaction through a multimodal large-scale model. Hobbs is the first bionic robot head in the country with such a high degree of freedom, designed to provide an immersive interactive experience. It features its own multimodal large-scale model, which ensures ultra-low latency and human-machine dialogue. Its highly bionic mechanical structure supports complex multi-degree facial expressions, representing a technological breakthrough in developing a robot head with standard human-like proportions. The Chinese company Galbot Robotics unveiled its impressive humanoid robot Galbot G1 at the ZGC 2025 exhibition. During the live demonstration, G1 was seen serving drinks to customers, carefully placing goods into boxes and sorting items in a warehouse. Galbot G1 is a humanoid robot mounted on a wheeled platform, designed to operate in service, logistics, and retail. It is equipped with two types of gripping mechanisms, mechanical manipulators and vacuum suction cups, allowing it to handle even fragile items with care. Standing at 173 centimeters tall and weighing 85 kilograms, G1 can operate autonomously for up to 10 hours on a single charge. It efficiently performs tasks such as delivering orders, placing items on shelves, and packaging products. Galbot G1 has the potential to become an indispensable team member in hotels, cafes, pharmacies, and warehouses, reducing the workload on staff and boosting overall operational efficiency. The humanoid robot Noetics N2 from the Chinese company Noetics Robotics also made an appearance at the ZGC 2025 exhibition, showcasing its impressive capabilities. Standing at 1 meter and 20 centimeters tall and weighing around 30 kilograms, this robot is capable of performing flawless backflips, as well as running and jumping. To achieve such agility, the developers strategically relocated the heavier joints closer to the robot's center of mass, reducing limb inertia and improving balance during acrobatic movements. Noetics N2 is equipped with 18 degrees of freedom, providing it with excellent flexibility and maneuverability. The robot can reach speeds of up to 3.5 meters per second. For spatial awareness, it uses two depth-sensing cameras, while a sophisticated control algorithm ensures precise coordination of movements. The robot is expected to enter mass production at a price of approximately 39,000 Chinese yuan, which is roughly 5,500 United States dollars. At the opening ceremony and general assembly of the Zhongguancun Forum 2025, robots Kuafu and Jiasu T1 delivered a stunning tech performance, showcasing the impressive capabilities of artificial intelligence. These two robots represent cutting-edge advancements in robotics and AI. Their flawless, perfectly synchronized interaction, refined down to the smallest detail, made a powerful impression on the audience. The performance highlighted China's achievements in these high-tech fields and demonstrated the growing potential of integrating AI into various aspects of everyday life. The unique Sense Robot chess robot was unveiled at the ZGC 2025 exhibition. This robot stands out for its ability to adapt to the player's skill level. Its artificial intelligence analyzes the opponent's moves, adjusting the difficulty accordingly and offering helpful tips in real time. Sense Robot Chess features several gameplay modes, training, tournament, and an educational module. The robot can not only play a full match with you, but also analyze your mistakes to help improve your strategy. The device supports remote play, allowing chess enthusiasts to train and compete with other Sense Robot users around the world. In addition to chess, the bot also plays checkers and backgammon with skill. Although the price of Sense Robot Chess has not yet been announced, it is expected to be suitable for both family use and professional players. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.